How to change your name in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to change your name on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the top right corner right here. Now here you can find your profile right here. Right here. Now here you can find your name right here. Now here you can see even if I am tapping on it, it does not just open any feature to change the name. Now scroll down and here you can find sign out. Now tap on it. Then again sign out. Now one thing to remember that you cannot change your name in the Khan Academy, so you need to simply sign out from one account and simply use or sign in to another account and use the name of that account. Then tap on to sign in and simply continue with another account on it. Now tap onto one of it just like this. Then simply sign in. And now you can see you have been signed in. Now tap on to the settings button. Now here you can see your name has been changed. So this is the only way that you can change your name in the Khan Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.